4/7 of a pole is in the mud. When 1/3 of the pole is taken out, 250 centimeters of the pole is still in the mud. Find the length of the pole. Now, because the denominator here is 7 and here it is 3, we will assume the length of the pole as LCM of 7 and 3, that is 21x. Now, 4/7 of the pole is in mud. So 4/7 of 21x, that is 12x centimeters pole is in mud. Okay. 1/3 of the pole is taken out. So 1/3 of 21x, that is 7x pole is taken out. So total 12x pole was in mud. 7x has been taken out. So that means we still have 5x centimeters pole still in the mud. Now this length is given to us as 250 centimeters. So we can equate it. 5x is equal to 250. Therefore, x is equal to 50 centimeters. Now we want to find out the length of the pole. Length of the pole we have assumed to be 21x. So length comes out to be 21 into 50. That is 1050 centimeters. That is option A.